More than 45,000 people will benefit from higher value jobs over the next 5 to 10 years as Singapore moves towards being a cleaner and greener economy. Senior Minister of State Amy Khor said these will come from the environmental services, agri-food and water sectors. Well, for instance, 3 upcoming e-waste recycling facilities like this will add more than 400 jobs. But workers will need to be trained to take on such opportunities. So vocational training courses will be enhanced for environmental control officers who monitor issues like pollution and waste disposal at construction sites. Food hygiene officers will also benefit from better training. And schools are launching new programs in areas like food science.
Industry transformation will create more career opportunities requiring engineering, science and environmental management expertise. You can turn the challenges from climate change into opportunities for our companies to innovate and internationalize.
Singaporeans will also get the chance to start projects that encourage the community to be more sustainable under a $50 million fund. The fund will be disbursed over 5 years and will be coordinated by a new SG Eco office. One of its key projects is to make estates greener, beginning with Tampines, Choa, Kang and Nisun. It's hoped that new initiatives like digital displays that track electricity and water usage at HDB blocks will spur friendly competition between residents to do their part for the earth. More consultation exercises are in the works too. 2 citizens' work groups will be convened this year to look into supporting local produce and reducing use of disposables.